mis amigas, and welcome back to another video. I am here sharing with you guys my new appliances. As you guys may know, I did get new appliances, and I am here showing you guys how messy they were. Well, my stove, and this is what we're going to be doing in this video. And I hope you guys really enjoy this video, because I've been wanting to film this video for such a long time, but now I have the opportunity, and I'm so happy that you guys are here. And I'm going to share with you guys how I clean my stove. It's actually pretty easy, but it takes a lot of energy, believe it or not. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video. As you guys can see, this stove top is so filthy, so please hang out and don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. And thank you guys so much for coming back. It really means a lot to me. Enjoy. Okay, mis amigas, so throughout this video you guys are going to be seeing that I'm using this solution right here to clean up my microwave and my stove top. So all it is just vinegar mixed with water, and I am using this microfiber rag, and I absolutely love this solution because not only does it take out the grease, but it leaves the appliances looking super shiny and clean. I love this stuff. It's non-toxic, it's natural, and that's what I'm always aiming for, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, I really like this stuff. You guys better have to try it if you guys haven't already. So what I'm doing right now is just taking all of that dirty crumbs that was right there and wiping it away. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just taking off these, I don't even know what they're called, the stove top, whatever they're called, but you guys get the point. So I am placing them into an empty bowl, as you guys can see right here, and all I'm gonna do is let them sit for a little bit while I clean other stuff from the stove. And believe me or not, these were super greasy, even though you guys can't tell from the video, but they were super greasy. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing right now is just getting my rag and removing all that extra food that's all dried out on my stove top. And believe it or not, you guys, it was so filthy. Like there was grease all over the place. And I know it looks clean right now, but it wasn't. It was so greasy, and there was a lot of food everywhere. And yeah, so what I'm doing right now is doing that. And right here, you guys, all I'm doing is adding baking soda, and I'm gonna be spraying it with a little bit of vinegar. But I learned my lesson not to put a lot of baking soda on here all around, and put a little bit of water on it. But yeah, but this is the best thing I've ever used to clean this stovetop, and you guys should try it because it leaves it super clean and shiny. So yeah, try it out, you guys. Okay, mis amigas, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just taking all the baking soda that was left from the solution that I did make, and it's kind of like thick, and I was having a very hard time removing it off really well with this rag. I was literally going back and forth, wetting the rag, rinsing it, wetting and rinsing. You guys get the point. But I really like how this process was going though, because it was seriously the most satisfying, seeing all the grease and all that dirtiness of the stove wash away with this solution that I did use, and it seriously left the stove looking super clean, and I loved it. But I do want to recommend, if you guys are interested in doing this, use baking soda, vinegar, and a little bit of water. That way it won't be super thick, or use less baking soda. But I promise you guys, it's going to leave your stove top looking so clean and so new. And yeah, so I only do this like once a week, not every day, just because like my life is really busy and I don't have that much time. But yeah, once a week will do for me, and I really love the results. Keep on watching, you guys, because you guys are gonna love it too. doing right now is I'm just basically putting back the stove toppers, whatever they're called, back together. And fun fact, it has been a while that I even cleaned these up. I've actually never even cleaned these toppers before. This is my first time ever since I got this new stove. But yeah, I was having a hard time putting them together, but I managed to put them back where they belong, and they turned out so clean, you guys. I can't even wait to show you guys how they turned out. And I'm just doing that right now, you guys. And yeah, so I'm super excited about this. As you guys can see, I had so much struggles, but I did it. I managed to do it. Take a look at how clean my freaking stove is, you guys. It is so clean. It looks super new. I am so happy. And I only used seriously 3 products. So that was vinegar, baking soda, and a bit of soap. But yeah, look how clean it looks, you guys. It looks brand new. I am loving it. And yeah, so that's it about this video. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and like this video and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And I really appreciate you guys stopping by. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. This is it about this video.